The biggest OpenAI model ever built just went completely free. 2.8 trillion parameters, and on independent benchmarks, it's sitting right next to the best paid models on the planet. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up and how to actually build real things with it, not just chat with it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, here's the news. This model is called Kimi K3. It came out on July 16th from a company called Moonshot AI. And right now, today, you can use it completely free. What caught my attention isn't just that it's free, it's how it performs. On independent benchmark testing done by outside testers, not the company itself, this free model sits right next to GPT 5.6 and Anthropic's Fable 5. The gap between a free model and the top paid models has never been this small. Let me walk you through the setup, because the order actually matters here, and rushing it burns through your free access fast. Head over to kimi.com, that's KIMI.com. If you're already logged into something else in your browser, open an incognito window so you're seeing exactly what a fresh, free account looks like. You'll be asked to sign in, and you don't need any paid plan for this. A free account is all you need. Once you're in, look at the model dropdown at the top. By default, it'll probably show K2.6, the older model. That's not the one you want. Switch it over to K3. Here's where most people mess this up. Right next to standard K3, you'll see an option called K3 Swarm. It sounds more powerful, and technically it is. It's built to run multiple copies of the model at once for really heavy jobs. But on a free account, you don't have the room for that, and you'll burn through your entire free access in a single task. Stick with standard K3. That's the one that actually lets you get real work done across a bunch of prompts without hitting a wall. While you're in there, leave your context window on standard too. The extended option is locked behind a paid plan anyway, so on free, it'll just be grayed out. Quick answer to a question you're probably already asking. When do you use K3 versus the older K2.6? If you just want a fast, simple answer to something basic, K2.6 is fine. It doesn't think as hard, so it replies quicker. But the second you're actually building something, K3 is the one that takes over. It thinks longer, and the quality difference shows. Simple answers, K2.6, real building, K3. And that word building is where this actually gets interesting. Typing prompts into a website one at a time is fine for testing something out, but it's not how you get real, finished work done. This is where a full system comes in, something built around the model that lets it actually execute, not just respond. Inside a setup like that, K3 stops being a chatbot you're poking at and becomes something that reads your files, runs tools, and works through a whole task start to finish on its own. The piece that makes this possible is Moonshot's own coding agent, their answer to tools like Claude Code. Instead of you copy-pasting one prompt after another, it lets K3 run long jobs by itself, it reads an entire project, runs tests, checks whether something actually worked, fixes what's broken, and keeps going until the task is genuinely done. And K3 has a 1 million token context window, which means it can hold an entire project in its head at once while it works. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like in practice. Say you want more people joining your community. You tell it, build me a landing page that shows the value of what I teach, explains the benefits of joining, and gets people to actually sign up. And it goes and builds the whole thing. The structure, the copy, the layout, not a rough draft, a finished page you could use right away. Or you could take it further and say, take this landing page and make me 3 versions with different headlines so I can test which one brings in the most signups. and it builds all free versions for you. Now you've got a real test running and you barely had to lift a finger. So how does it hold up when you actually put it to work? On testing, K3 held its own against the top paid models out there. It edged out Fable 5, it beat GPT 5.6, and it beat Opus 4.8. Those are some of the strongest paid models available right now. So a free model going head to head with them is worth paying attention to. And it's not just a good score on a chart either. People have used it to build full games, detailed 3D worlds you can actually move around inside. And when paired with a video tool called Remotion, it can even help put together video content. This isn't a one-trick model, it's a genuine builder. A couple things worth knowing before you dive in headfirst. During busy times, the free account can get paused or capped. That's fairly normal for any free AI tool with a huge number of people using it at once. If replies slow down or you hit a limit, try again during off-peak hours. You'll usually have more room when fewer people are online. And here's the other big piece of news. Kimi K3 is going fully open source. The full model weights drop by July 27th, 2026, just days from now. For developers, that's a genuinely big deal. It means you could, in theory, run this on your own hardware. But realistically, running a 2.8 trillion parameter model yourself takes seriously powerful hardware, not a laptop, not a normal desktop. So for most people watching this, using it free through the website is going to stay the practical option for a good while. So to recap what actually happened here, Moonshot AI released Kimi K3, the biggest open model built so far, and made it completely free to use on independent testing. It's going toe-to-toe with the top paid models on the market. Standard K3 is your pick over swarm on a free account. K3 beats K2.6 the moment you're actually building something instead of just chatting, and the full model is going open source in a matter of days. What makes this one worth paying attention to isn't just that it's free, it's that it's actually capable. A model that goes head to head with the best paid options sitting right there for anyone to use today. So go set up your free account, switch it over to standard K3, and go build something with it before everyone else catches on. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.